Hey guys, Pete Soma here with MarineMax Brick. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on our 2026 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer outboard. We can get this beautiful profile shot here of the boat. We have our Sea Ray blue hull color, black boot stripe with white bottom. We can see out here, but we'll touch on it inside as well. This is the coupe enclosure, full front windshield, half sides. We do have the isinglass up right now. Making our way around the back. Hello. Boarding ladder. This boat is powered by twin Mercury 350 V10s. Let's go take a look inside. All right, here on the swim platform on the 320, plenty of space to walk around. Again, highlighting our 350 V10s. We have storage back here. Right over here will be where our shore power hookups are and our battery switches. Our gray sea deck that'll continue throughout the entire cockpit. Making our way in, stone color interior. On our hardtop as well, we do have the extended sunshade. And in the center there, I have that open. We'll look at that in a little bit too. We have the opening for the hardtop as well. On our starboard side, we have our grill and our sink. Right underneath that, we do have our fridge. Some water's in there. Huge L-shaped seating back here. I did put the filler cushion in actually for our bow table. We can actually take that off, then you can see that nice, beautiful teak overlay. Making our way forward again. Again, plenty of seating throughout the boat. We do have our port side seat here that will slide forward and back, so you're not just stuck facing forward. Again, our moonroof there, I like to call it. If you want to get a little bit extra sun, pop that right open. Here at the helm, plenty of coverage here, again with that windshield, side windshield. We can take this off completely if you want to get a little bit more airflow throughout the cockpit. At the helm though, twin Simrad displays, all of our halo switching, fusion stereo remote. We'll have our throttles over here with our very handy joystick, trim tab systems, the whole nine. Gonna work our way up to the bow now. We do actually have also this sliding glass window here, part of the windshield, and bow block-off door. So again, you could completely enclose yourself inside the cockpit. All right, triple wide seating here with our armrests and adjustable headrests. There's fusion stereo remote controls up here. There's one actually in the back on the swim platform as well. They're all over the place. Very high bow rail. And then obviously access to our windlass anchor. We do have controls for that here, and then one more at the helm. Let's go take a look at the cabin. Downstairs in the cabin on the 320. Right now this is our forward V berth. We do have the low leg there on the table, so again we could sleep right here. But if we want, we could pop this off. There'd be a higher table leg. Use it as like your little conversational piece. A little spot to hang out and enjoy. TV right here, refrigerator and microwave. Give you a quick shot of the head compartment. Full stand-up bathroom. That is a wet head, so we can shower in there. And then aft, underneath the steps, we have sleeping for two. If you do want though, you can pull that cushion over and make that one sleeping area for two adults. All right guys, again, 2026 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer here at MarineMax Brick. I'm Pete Soma. I'll see you on the water.